QIBOT robot company, based in Shandong, China, claims to have built the world's fastest boxer bot. The bot is 6 feet tall and has a single arm that can extend nearly 5 feet. It can be teleoperated with a response delay time of just 12 milliseconds, which is much shorter than the time it takes to blink an eye. The company's founder, Zhang Dao, was inspired to build a robot with low latency after noticing the delays associated with telerobots in science fiction movies. He set his team the challenge of building a large robot with low latency, and they were able to achieve a latency of just 12 milliseconds. The team achieved this by introducing a feed-forward controller alongside the standard feedback controller. The feed-forward controller anticipates system delays and responds to offset latency caused by mechanical systems and virtual reality devices used by human controllers. To test how well QIBOT responds, the team set up a boxing match with another bot guided by artificial intelligence. The AI-guided bot and QIBOT then faced off in a match, moments of which were captured in the clip below. The QIBOT team is now working on improving the bot further, equipping it with another arm and more joints to make its movements smoother. The application for QIBOT is rapid-moving telerobots to help in hazardous situations such as crime fighting or for the military. Potential applications: crime fighting. QIBOT could be used to help police officers in dangerous situations, such as hostage situations or active shooter situations. Military. QIBOT could be used in the military to help soldiers in combat or to clear minefields. Hazardous environments. QIBOT could be used to help workers in hazardous environments, such as nuclear power plants or chemical plants. The QIBOT team plans to continue improving the bot and making it more versatile. They also plan to make the bot more affordable so that it can be used by more people. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We're always working on new content, and we'd love to hear your feedback. Leave us a comment down below about what topics you would like to see covered next. Thanks for watching.